Hi guys, it's Josie. I'm here today doing a hashtag PV unboxing. It's the monthly club it's the monthly club subscription. It's a really good deal because you can get the monthly club, which are exclusive bracelets that you can only get through the monthly club, and you get them every month, and the deal is for $14.95, so it's a super good deal. So I'm just gonna unbox the package that they sent me this month and show you guys what's inside. So these are exclusive bracelets, like I said, so you can only get them through the monthly club. The packaging is so cute. It came in this little blue package, and ooh, it's sustainable. This is biodegradable packaging, so that's really good. So I'm just gonna unbox it, unpackage it if I can. Oh, it opened really easy. So it comes with this cute little card. It has Dreaming Out Loud on it. It just comes in this little thing. There's this cute little card and it tells you like how your subscription gives back. So it says 1, supports hundreds of artisans, 2, steady income, 3, employment opportunities, and 4, positive work environment. Basically, it creates full-time jobs for hundreds of artisans worldwide, which I think is really cool. It's creating job opportunities. So then it comes in this cute little baggie. It has like the little monthly club on it. So let's see what we got. So it comes with 3 super cute bracelets. I'll show you each one individually. Here's the first one. It's like this tan color and the little moonstone is kind of sparkly. I'm gonna try all of them on right now. I literally have Pure Vita bracelet tan lines. This is so cute. Oh my god. The next one is this cute little black one. It has little moon charms on it, which is so adorable. And then the last one is just this braided kind of gray one with like, it has little silver and gold beads on it, which is so cute. I'm so excited about this pack. It's so cute. This pack is perfect because I feel like it goes with every single outfit and you can just wear it whenever, and it's so cute. If you want to do your own unboxing of the monthly club bracelets, just take a video of yourself unboxing the bracelets and hashtag it PV Unboxed, and you might be featured on Pure Vita's channel. Thank you guys for tuning in with me. I'm gonna go explore Montauk, but I will see you next time. Bye!